Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the charging port on a Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now this repair also fixes one of the main common issues that this model has, the S22 Ultra, and that's bad reception or like no reception at all. So for example, sometimes if you're sitting at home, the only reason why you get text messages like on the spot is because you're already connected to Wi-Fi. But as soon as you leave home or go somewhere else, your messages will come like hours later, or you have horrible reception. You get missed calls because your phone doesn't even ring anymore. The reception bars are like really low. That also fixes this. It's actually the same part. It's actually for the bad reception, you're gonna replace these two parts right here. Yes, there are some repair people or repair shops that don't even know like this is how you fix the common bad reception issue on the S22 Ultra. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna take off the back cover of this phone. So the way that we take off the back cover of this phone is we're gonna use a heat gun and poker playing cards to take off the back cover. So first, always take out the S Pen. You don't want this thing to overheat because there's chips and stuff in here. So take this out, put it aside, right over here. So we're gonna grab our heat gun and just blow heat. Now you can use a hair dryer. You're just gonna have to blow air on it a lot longer than you would if you were using a heat gun. Now then you're gonna grab a tool, a little flimsy tool like this. Like once again, like I said, if you guys wanna know where to get these tools at, hit the link in the description. All right, so we'll get our tool. You see it's extra like really thin like this, which allows us to get in between the back glass and the frame. So I'll put a little more heat in there. There we go. Then we're gonna get our poker playing cards right here. We're gonna slide that in right there. All right, so the back cover is off, and I want to show you guys something. The reason why I use poker playing cards is because it has a slick surface on it. It's easy to get around. I don't use like a knife or a razor blade or anything. The reason is, if you start to use tools like this and to take stuff off like this, you're gonna get these deep scrapes or scratches that are gonna go through the paint. As you can see on the back or even anywhere around here, there's no scuff marks, there's no scratches or anything like that. Using this is not gonna cause any scratches, all right? All right, so before I begin, let me show you the actual parts that we're gonna replace, which is the charging port. It's gonna be this piece right here. As you can see, there's probably like a little sticker right here that covers the mic hole, which you need to take off, because then if you're talking to somebody, they're not going to be able to hear you, right? So take that off if it comes like that on yours. But yeah, this also fixes the reception issue, the thing that I was talking about when you're fixing the bad reception on your phone, you also replace this. So it's kind of like a combo, but it fixes, if your phone doesn't even have reception issues and you need to change the charging port, it's the same part, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do is take out a bunch of screws. So all these screws that you see here, there's probably like 15, actually, yeah, no, we're gonna take out all the screws from this part and down. All right, so now that we got screws taken out, you can just start unplugging things. You can unplug this up here, then this thing will start to flap open. You'll see it's kind of glued like right there. And then the charging port reception thing is down here. So we're gonna grab like this right here, our little opening wedge tool to get it, go from the side. This thing will kind of like just pluck out. There you go. So then you'll see something like this, right? So this is the part right here, as you can see. This and this, you just flip it that way. Now it looks identical, see? Right there. Charging port with SIM card reader, US version. You're in the United States, you get this, dude, okay? All right. So we're gonna unplug the battery, and then we're gonna start to unplug these things right here at the bottom to get to the charging port. And we can unplug this. We might as well just replace this since we're here already. So that'll open. Now we're almost here already. This repair is not really that hard to do. Oh, we got to take out the SIM card reader, the SIM tray. Hold on. All right, here we got our SIM opening tool. If you don't have one of these, you can just get something like a needle or whatever you have at home. And just, this is how you take out the SIM tray right here. Just go like this, and it'll pop out. There you go. Then what you're gonna see is 3 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, take those out. Keep them separated from these because the screws that go here are different size than these screws over here. All right, so then I'm gonna grab my tool like this and then just kind of pluck this thing out. And there's that piece right there. We're then going to get our new part right here and then put it in there like this. Put the screws back. All right, so like before, remember I said I'm just gonna go ahead and replace this with a new one right here. If you're just only fixing your phone to replace the charging port, you don't have to replace that thing. But since I have these spare handily, I'm just gonna replace it. So the way that this goes on is you'll see where it has the arrow going up. That means, you know, goes this way. So go right here. This thing connects down here. So you see, connection. Make sure that's in. This connection pops in. Make sure everything's feels right and connected in. All right, and then we can plug in the battery. We can just reverse what we were doing. This is actually the loudspeaker right here. Go ahead and flip the phone this way. This will go in like this. You'll hear the thing click. All right, and then this thing still kind of flaps open, right? Or it flaps like this. So we'll go and close this. Pop in the connections, this connection and this connection. And then just put all the screws back. All right, all the screws are back. We're gonna make sure this thing charges as we go. Right here, I'm gonna plug it in. See on this side. There we go. It's charging good. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to reattach the back cover, how I do it. If you guys don't choose to do it like this, some of you guys do it your way. This is how I do it, okay? So you have this pre-cut adhesive. It's made for this phone, S22 Ultra back cover adhesive tape. And that's what you see here. So we're gonna have to remove this because it doesn't work the same way as it did before, right? It's not sticky how it used to be. So what I'll do is I'll grab some heat. And I'm gonna remove the adhesive on there. So I'll grab this tool right here, and then I'll just kind of dig right under it like this. And then I'll get some like scissors and I'll cut the tape, the adhesive. There we go. Now I can peel it off either which way I want, right? All right, so there's that tape right there. We're gonna grab some of our pre-cut adhesive. Now you guys get this adhesive, anything that you want with comes to cell phones. You get them at the same place that I get them. Links in description, okay? So this way, the thicker part goes on the bottom. See how this is thin up here? And the thicker part of it goes down there. And you see the little cutouts that it has in the corner right here? It fits and it goes right around the camera, whatever that part is called. Camera shield or something like that, right? Like that. There you go. All right, so now that we got that on there, we're gonna peel this away. You can see right here. You can see right there. Kind of move that like that. And now you have brand new adhesive around there. I like to do this, blow a little bit of heat on there again. The reason why I personally do that is because it becomes even more sticky when you blow heat on it, all right? So make sure you go along here and make sure this thing is all clean, doesn't have any leftover adhesive. You could even clean it with alcohol like this. You could even put a little bit of alcohol on a rag like this. This is isopropyl alcohol, 91%. You get it at CVS, Ralph's, any grocery store. Just make sure it's all clean up in there. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use this glue and I'm gonna put a little bit around here. It's not a glob of glue, it's just very thin line, just a little bit like this, all the way around like that, just one big rectangle. You can actually buy this on eBay. Just type in T8000 just like this and put T8000 glue. So this stuff doesn't dry fast. It's not super glue. It's more like a kind of like a gel. I don't know what you call that. Can't think of the word right now. All right, so we're gonna go around. All right, so the reason why I use this glue, if some of you guys may be asking, is because the original adhesive that we took off is actually stronger than the aftermarket adhesive. After a couple of months, let's say 3 or 4 months, some people live in like different temperatures. Some people live in hot areas, some people live in cold areas. It'll make it so it won't come off. It won't loosen up, right? If sometime down the line, a year later or something, you have to make some other type of repair on there, it's not a permanent glue. It's easy to, it's basically, it's silicone. That's what I meant to say or thinking before I put this on there. It's like a silicone. All right, so as you guys can see, you guys want to see the glue up close. There it is, like this around. And then all we do is just grab this. We'll start up here. Go down the sides like this. Go like this, and then we're almost done. I have some of these here. And you just put on some clamps like this. You probably don't need these. You know, I know how to repair phones. I've been in the phone repair business for like a long time, so I have these at home. If you don't have these, just get some type of weight and just put it here. Like, I don't know, like a couple pound, 2 pounds, 2 pound plate or something like that. That's on there. Just leave that like that for like 10 minutes or so, and then you're good to go. If any of you guys are interested in the phone business, whether it's learning how to repair phones or if you guys want to resell cell phones, unlock cell phones locally in your city, I do have a cell phone repair course. Link in the description underneath the video. Check that out. It's a very, very affordable course. And with that, everybody, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.